This video is real good, man. I think it's gonna be released on the 17th. Vente conmigo. Come with me. So we edited this probably in a period of 3 days. We did 3 videos, and I'm part of the ambassador of Frame IMO. They call me ambassador of that. Yeah, so we edit all these videos. We always edit in Adobe Premiere. Some After Effects. Today I gotta finish Ironía by Jay Alvarez, which we're gonna put. You know, it's already this video's been finished already. We're gonna do some effects and stuff, and to send it today. And then I gotta do like a little trailer for Victor Manuel and Farruko video. And also we gotta do the pre-production for Farina's video tomorrow. So we're doing some simple effects, just, you know. We finished the video now, and now at 1 p.m. we're in the studio. We got the video for Farina. I don't have the name of the song yet, and I'm talking to the cell phone because my microphone, I lost it, so I gotta record it here. And also we're basically just waiting right now. We're like that second shot, and you know how it is. So this is the video now. Farina, and tomorrow we got another video here on stage 8. All of these places filled up tomorrow. So that's it, man. See you guys. So this is the set we got for today. The first one, we got 3. We already got it light up. We're waiting for the artist now. We're recording today with the red helium. I don't care about the cameras, but you know, we got this one today. I can record with a Sony Red Ari. I have recorded shots with this camera and the Sony A63, so you might see some of that today. I'm gonna show you like how they both work together.